Hey creators, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akira, if you didn't already know, and you're tuned into Create with Akira. So, this is episode 3, I think, of my college series, and that video is, what was I about to say, moving day? It's not. My dorm room haul. Yeah. I filmed this before, but I'm filming it again. One, because I got more stuff. Two, because Apple is stupid. Yeah. Anyway, so let's just get on, let's get started. So first I'm going to start with the thing that's going to make noise in my background. I got this lovely diffuser that I can't move anymore because the cord is short. But I got this diffuser. I'm using it now because my old diffuser broke, and yeah, and this is a really good quality diffuser. I got it from Target. It's cute, simple, and it's gonna make the room smell good. Okay, alright. Can't have candles. I mean, you can. You ain't gotta know that. I can. Alright, anyway. Can't have candles, so I got this diffuser. And it's gonna, if you hear any trickling water sounds in the background, that's what it is. Oh, that was a lot of peppermint by my face. That was strong. I don't really have things set in like a specific category, you know. I just have things in different places. Like I have a box of stuff and then 2 bins that I'm taking with me. I'm taking a box with me too, but the bins are physical things that are gonna stay in the dorm room. So I'm gonna go this way with stuff. So it's no specific order, but yeah. So I have this mirror. It's a double-sided mirror. You can kind of see the reflection of my hand. There, you see the reflection of my hand here, and then the expandable mirror. What you see is like very much zoomed in. So yeah, it's a 2-sided mirror. Mainly got this for plucking my eyebrows because I can't not have plucked eyebrows. Usually my mother plucks my eyebrows, but obviously she can't do that, you know? So I got that to make it easier to see the tiny hairs. I can pluck my eyebrows. Okay, grand. So next I have this hamper. It's a foldable hamper, however it's not folded because my blanket's inside. But I have this foldable hamper. It has gold leaves on it, and the base of it's beige. It's really pretty. I got this off of Amazon. I'm not sure how much this was. If I remember how much these things were, then they'll be listed. If not, then yeah. I have stuff at Amazon. Cute, simple. Then I got my bed set. It's a yellow velvet reversible bed set, and this is in a queen size. However, I do have a queen size blanket for my twin size bed right now, and I love it. So yeah. This comes with the blanket and then 2 pillowcases. So yeah. And that fits simply right into this hamper, so that's how I'm gonna take it. Next thing I got was this floor lamp. It's a simple floor lamp. It's silver, and it's, you know, it's a floor lamp. I can't really explain it any more than what it is without making it seem extra complicated. But it's a floor lamp because, you know, you might need one. Next thing I got was pillows. 3 pillows. Why 3 pillows when I don't even sleep with one? Anyway, pillows. Next we have this box of stuff. In this box of stuff I have a pink rug. The color theme of my room is, oh, I'm kind of wearing it, how cute. Yellow and pink. Yellow because it makes me happy, and you know, I need to be happy. And then pink because it looks good with yellow. Alright, anyway. So yeah, I got this pink accent rug. This is kind of furry. I don't know how big it is, but it's an accent rug. It's cute, it's pink, it's simple. Love it. Next thing I got is a memo board. It has the cork board, and then it has the dry erase part. It comes with 2 magnets and then a dry erase marker. That's simple, cute, you know, just something to have to write stuff on, obviously. Next thing we have in this box is this mini fridge caddy. It just goes over your mini fridge to keep things you need in it. It has pockets to separate like the certain things you can put in it. So yeah. Then the next thing in this box is a throw blanket, because I'm addicted to throw blankets. And I love to be cold, but cold doesn't love me. So, throw blankets. Next thing I got was an iron. I got this iron from Target. Yeah, I got this iron from Target. It's an iron just to iron my clothes. They're ever wrinkly, yeah, because wrinkles happen and they're not cute. The next thing I got was this calendar. It's really, really pretty. I got this from Target. Okay, I'm gonna stop touching that part. I got this calendar. It's really pretty. It's clear. I need to get different color dry erase markers because why not? You know, it's clear. It has a chain hanger thingy. Obviously it's gonna look clearer than this once you take it out the packaging, but it's really cute, simple. So you know, it was a head to get, you know. Next thing I got, next thing I got was this desk storage. I got this off of Amazon. It's just really, really good quality desk storage stuff. It comes with a file folder with a cup for your pens, and then a thingy for your notebooks, and then something for post-it notes, but that's at the bottom. I'm not taking that all the way out. And then this big old folder, you know, cute, simple. Kind of throw that in there. The next thing I got was this step stool. Future care here that just went through a whole nother bin without fully explaining why I got the step stool. My boyfriend was hopping into bed every night. I shan't be doing that. So I have the step stool to, you know, step into bed, because what do I look like jumping in bed every single night? I'm not doing it. I got this tapestry that incorporates all the colors in my room. It's cute, simple, and you know, it was from Ross and I'm a sheep, so yeah. Okay. Next thing is this bin I got. I'm gonna insert a picture because it's too big to pick up, and what do I look like picking it up? Anyway, I'm gonna insert a picture right here. I got 2 of those. I originally got them for storage for my room now, but I realized that it would be simple packing to take to college, so all my college stuff is just stored in there. Okay, so we'll start with what's on top of this bin. So on top of the bin, I have 2 smaller bins. Now, this bin is gonna have miscellaneous products such as hair products, bath products, anything that, you know, won't fit anywhere else. It's going in here. In the top bin, I have my first aid kit. It's huge and doesn't even have my prescription medicines in here yet. So yeah, and here is just, you know, Vaseline, some cold medicine, other quick medicines, hydrogen peroxide, cough drops, Q-tips, and what's it called? Cotton balls. So yeah. Ow. So yeah, I have all that. And then in the top bin is gonna be used as a trash can, because at the time when I was shopping, they didn't have a trash can that matched my stuff. But then I went today and they had a trash can to match my stuff. I'm not gonna get it because I already got this, and it's bigger than a trash can anyway. So this bin is gonna be used as my trash can. Okay. Now let's get into the drawers of this storage bin. So on the top drawer, I have my pajamas that you've seen in my college clothing haul. If you haven't seen it already, I think it's this side because it's reverted. Maybe it's that side. I don't know. One of the sides. Click it. It's up there. Go watch it. Second drawer, also more clothes. And in the third drawer, I have 4 towels, 2 in each color. I have a pink one that's not pink. I have a gray, 2 pink ones. Cute, simple. Then I have washcloths. The gray ones are unpackaged because of the way I was going to put them in there in the first place, but I didn't put them in like that. So we have 6 gray ones and then 6 pink ones. So yeah, those are in the bottom drawer. Behind the washcloths, we have my sheet set. It's blue because in the reversible side of the blanket there is blue in the design. So this comes with 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, 1 pillowcase. So I guess that's why I have 3 pillows. Anyway, yeah. Then I have 4 more storage bins. We have 2 pink ones, 2 yellow ones, and these are going to go on the top of my closet. So we're on the last bin with everything in it, and then we have everything that's on top of it. So obviously I'm going to go over everything that's on top of it first. The first thing we have is this bath caddy. This bath caddy is a 2-in-1 shower caddy. It has this piece which you can take out. And here's gonna go my toothbrush, my morning routine stuff, you know. And then we have like everything, put my shampoos and stuff in here, body washes and everything else. So yeah, just, you know. Next we have a Swiffer because we're clean, okay? I do have hardwood floors in my dorm room, so I had a Swiffer to clean those because, yeah. Now, the last thing that's on the top of this storage bin is my desk lamp, and I'm going to take that out to show you in further detail. So it's this flexible desk lamp. The top is flexible. It has 3 different light settings on it. There is a white that's kind of like my ring light right now. There's a diffused light that's yellow and white, and then there's a full diffused light that's like fully yellow. Cute. I don't even know if you can tell the difference between those. I mean, you can, but like you'd have to be really close to see. There we go. Cute. Yeah. So it's just a simple desk light, and you know the yellow light can be better when I have headaches and everything. This is dimmable. Haven't really figured out how to do that yet. Anyway, it comes with a charger port for this lamp because this lamp is chargeable, and then I can also charge my phone on it. Cute. Love that. And then it has like the pen storage. Yeah. Okay, so in the top drawer of this last storage bin, I do have 2 plates. They're pink. I have trash bags that are lavender scented. I could have got the yellow ones, but lavender is better than lemon. I have plastic forks. I just got forks. Wow. I have plastic forks. I have 2 dish towels. 2 dish towels, and then a dish rag. No, 2 dish rags and a dish towel. Okay, because you know you have to wash your dishes. I have 2 things of what is this? Paper towels, and then 2 4-packs of toilet paper. Because you know, yeah, I like the boot cheeks. I have plastic cups, and I have metal silverware. Cute. All of my cups are in here too. Okay, I have 2 plastic cups in here. They are also pink. I didn't know they were in here until I filled them. Okay. In my middle drawer, I have a ramen cooker. I have 2 black bowls because they didn't have the pink ones at the time, and you know, black. It's a really neutral color. Cute. I have 2 different packs of sponges. This is non-scratch scrub sponges. And then these are just like multi-purpose sponges. Probably use those in the bathroom or whatever. Like the second pack in the bathroom. I have aloe vera in here because aloe vera. I have alcohol in here. I have my razors, which I'm probably just gonna get another pack because one of them got thrown away, so I had to use another one. So yeah, I'm just probably gonna get another pack. I have my mouthwash, alcohol-free mouthwash, mint, because you know you don't want your breath to stink. That's nasty. I have a tongue scraper because it wouldn't fit in the second one of these. The second one's actually upstairs. I have a toothbrush, and in the second one I have like the plucky things that the dentist uses. Can't think of their name right now. And I have toothpaste because again, you don't want your breath to stink. That's nasty. I have Clorox wipes. I have paper plates, toothpicks. I have napkins because, you know, sticky fingers happen. I have cotton rounds for, probably gonna use those for my skincare. You know? And I have a surge protector because you can't have an extension cord. There we go. I have this mini first aid kit that I will be popping in my purse whenever I do leave my room. I don't plan on doing that often. I don't like people. Okay, in the final drawer, I have Lysol because we need to disinfect our air constantly. People are dirty out here, and we don't like that. I have my Clorox wipes. More Clorox wipes because we can never have enough. And then I have a mattress pad, Cool Touch, because why not? You don't need hide. So yeah, that's everything I have currently. The time I'm filming this is, what month is this? This is June 22nd. That's a lot. It's July 22nd. Wow, I had a month. I leave in a month. Yeah. So moving is in a month. I'm quite excited about that. I know my roommate. I'm happy that she is actually my roommate because I was gonna fight somebody. Definitely gonna type that email if she was not my roommate. Okay, simple. So the only things we need to get now, only things I need to get left is the stuff for our bathroom. We do have a little private bathroom to ourselves in the building we are in. So I can text her and figure out who's getting what so we can get that. I need to get my TV. My grandmother's gonna get that. I don't know when she's gonna get that, but she's gonna get that. My laptop. I don't know when I'm gonna get that, but it needs to be soon. But yeah, I pretty much have everything else. I'm ready to move in. I'm ready to go. I'm gonna get out. Oh, I forgot. I got a broom because clean space. But yeah, I'm ready to get out of here. I'm ready to go. I'm just ready for the new experience of meeting people and having fun, even though I don't like people. But you know, yeah. So yeah, that was all for today's video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. To become a creator today, I will see you next time with a brand new video. And I'm pretty sure that next video in this series is going to be my move-in vlog, and you don't want to miss that, so subscribe, babes. Anyway, don't miss that brand new video. Bye.